Yo guys, here is today's trade recap. So yeah, let's get into it. First of all, we have London high, London low. We got a 5-minute close above London high during London session. But then the New York market opened and we broke structure to the downside. Yeah, so we then broke structure after market opened at 7 a.m. to the downside after we closed below that low. Then I was waiting for a retrace for more confirmation to enter. And I saw that we inversed this for value gap right here. So then I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. I saw that we tapped back into the high and we then rejected, so I entered the trade. It targeted 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. And bang, and the actual profit I got when I withdrew the trade was around like a 1 to 1.6. So yeah, pretty good trade today. And today was actually perfect because all three of like my parts of my strategy showed up. Because after we swept it, we tapped into London low and got a rejection. So look at this. Then bang, hit 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Then after that, we got a 30-minute close above the high at 8:30. Then tapped back into it and rejected. And bang, 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So yeah, today was a pretty great and pretty crazy day.